Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll show you guys some basic go down onto a freeze. Alright, so we can consider this as a combo. If you're just starting out to get serious with breaking, you want to show off something cool, this is something that you want to learn. Alright, but of course, even though it's quite simple, you need to get a few moves down first. The first one is the footwork. We're gonna use the L4 footwork. I'm gonna put the link up here. Check this out if you haven't. Very simple steps to learn this move. And secondly, we're gonna do some basic handstand freeze. Because it's a handstand freeze, you got to have the good handstand. Alright, now before I start, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from my channel, you get notified. Cool, without further ado, let's start. Alright, so the very first step, we're gonna kick our right leg out, kick. Now my left leg is gonna go behind my right leg. Alright, so this is a what we call L4 drop. One more time. Right leg out, left leg to the back. From here, we're gonna switch. My right leg is gonna go straight, and my left leg, which is now is straight, gonna bend in. All right, look something like this. Okay, so you can call this L4 step consider of 3 steps. The first one is the right leg, second step, and now the last step is switch. Okay, now for this switch here, we're gonna go to the freeze. Now for the freeze, we're gonna whip with our body up, and then we're gonna put our right leg on top of our left knee. So I'm gonna do it slow. I'm gonna move my body out from left to right, and from here I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna place my right leg on top of my left leg like this. Okay, so that's why you need a good handstand, like I said earlier, because we're gonna do the handstand twist. It's just not a normal handstand, but it's a twist. That's why if you have a good basic of handstand, you shouldn't have problem doing this handstand twist. Now one more time from the top. Right leg, left leg to the back, switch, freeze. Now if you know me, you know that I love to take things even further. Rather than just stop in this handstand twist freeze, I love to go back to the footwork from there and continue to other stuff. So we can try that out. Same thing again, L4 drop, handstand freeze. But from there, after the freeze, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna continue to a footwork. That's it for the tutorial. You can see very simple step to go in from down onto the freeze, but always make sure that you have a good foundation. That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.